So my table came in last week from Amazon, but as you can't really tell, but I'm about to show y'all. Every single leg is on a different notch, and I did that not on purpose. I actually just did it. I thought I was right, but that was an accident, but I need to fix that today, and then I'm going to figure out how I'm going to reorganize this place. This is what I'm going for. I don't know what color I'm going to put here, but it's probably going to be purple or something. I'm thinking getting some purple curtains and putting it in here, and I think I'm just going to stick with brown for in here. Yeah, so that's what it's looking like right now. So we're doing purple, turquoise, and brown. I mean, purple, turquoise, brown. Yeah. Today's a great day because I am going to complete most of my daycare setup. The only things I would have left is curtains and the dining room, which I'm not too concerned about because that's gonna be like my lunch area, and I still haven't ordered my table, so it's fine. To be honest, it's really fine. I really just wanted to, oh, I look so rough. When y'all see me later, I promise to look good. But I really just wanted to come on here real quick and talk it out with you guys. First of all, I ordered some stuff off of Amazon, and let me just show you guys. This was only $20. Now, listen, I'm okay with how much I spent for this, but if it was cheaper somewhere else, I am going to die. I'm not gonna lie. But let me just come on here real quick to show you guys, because I'm super excited. So we have all of these posters, and it is English on one side and Spanish on the other, and I'm super excited for that because eventually I do want to have a bilingual daycare. That is the goal, especially being in San Antonio. That is definitely the goal. So I got a bunch of posters. I got all these from Amazon for $20, and they were pretty big. So yes, I'm putting those up on the wall today. I don't know what I'm doing with this just yet. Don't know yet. I don't know if I'm putting this up yet. I don't know. So one of my really good friends, her little sister's come and help me today. So we're gonna put a lot of things up, and then I am going to go ahead and also put my my borders up and stuff. I'm gonna also do that today as well, and I'm super excited. I'm also going through this today as well. I'm gonna throw away what I don't need. I have to buy some Lysol wipes so I can wipe down the rest of these toys, these as well. And I think I'm gonna stop at Target so I can go ahead and get a shelf. And I may look for a TV today. So the places that I have to go today, Walmart, Target, Michael's, and possibly Hobby Lobby. And then possibly Big Lots as well. I'm going to get the borders or the border trimmers, and all the rest of the stuff that I need, stapler and stuff. I'm not sure if I really want to staple the walls, but I might just get those little strips, the command strips, and just do it like that. Cause I'll be switching these out on a regular. So I think I just might do that. That'll be easier for me. Before you know it, I will have a daycare that looks like a daycare. I have things like the carbon monoxide alarm. Have to put that up today. The fire extinguisher is in here, however it is outdated. The last people who used to live in this house used to also do a daycare here, but this is outdated. And then what else? I got my service hours. Basically it's making my house up to code, I guess, our standards. I do need to do my fire escape plan. So I don't have that much to do. I think I can, if I just work at it all weekend this weekend, I can most definitely get it done, and that's what I plan to do. I just need to knock out most of this. right here. Like in the back, they're pretty dirty. Like the vision I had in my head is not the vision. It's not coming out like that, and I'm not sure what it is I'm doing wrong, but I want to keep pushing because I know things don't always go as planned or how we think it may turn out. So I'm just going to keep on doing what I do. So starting off the daycare, I am going with the theme Under the Sea. I got this from Michael's. I'm gonna just give y'all a quick update real quick. Let's put on my shoes first. All right, y'all. So these are the chairs that I got from, I had to get a hose pipe too, but these are the chairs that I got from the daycare. I had to wash them off, clean them off and all that good stuff. And I'm gonna take them back on the inside. I think this table was a waste because they have the legs and stuff, but no screws. So I can screw them back in. So I'm not gonna worry about that table. I think I'm gonna just chalk it up as a loss. But yeah, so I'm gonna take those chairs and I think I'm gonna get like a little round table like that to put, ooh, bugs. I don't like bugs. I think I'm gonna get a little round table like that to put in the reading area. All right. All right. So this is the mess. It's crazy. I don't know what to do. I need a lot more color. I'm going to put a border around here to make it look like a lot cleaner. And I'm gonna add something else right here. I might just leave it like that. I'm not really sure. I'm honestly not sure. I have to add my fish and stuff to that and then put Under the Sea. I don't know what else to update you guys on. I got these from the dollar spot in Target. Create, Play, Inspire. I also have Read, Explore. Yeah, Read and Explore, and then I have to Learn right here. So there was all for $1 in the dollar spot in Target. I have my classroom rules up here, which I'm pretty excited for. I really love these things. That also came from Amazon. I'm trying to add more color, which this will be my art gallery. And I'll have art in these two. And I think I'm gonna do birthdays in here. That's what I'm thinking about right now. This alphabet, I got this from Dollar Tree. And I almost completed the whole wall. So I think I'm gonna just find like a little something to put over there because it's gonna bother me. And then this is gonna be where I keep all of my important documents. I don't have them up yet, but that's where they're going. I think I'm about to hang up my clock right here. So this is gonna be, obviously this is my calendar and this is gonna be my clock. And I would like to have something right here, maybe they're cubbies. And then, actually I won't be putting anything up here because I forgot that I'm going to do their, I'm gonna do shelves up here as well. So yeah, that's so far, that's what's going on so far. I do feel a tad bit discouraged because like I said, it's not, I planned for so much and I thought, I don't know what I thought. I just planned for so much more. And now I'm just like, dang, like this is not how I was expecting it to look. So forgive me, I am a little bit down. So I'm just about to clean up, pick up trash and stuff like that, and then see how I feel. Maybe I'll feel different. But as of right now, your girl is, I'm a little bit discouraged. I'm gonna come back and show you guys once I've cleaned up a little bit more and gotten my life together and put the chairs in here. For right now, I think I'm just lining the chairs up against the wall, to be honest. It's getting there. Like I feel a little sad, but it's definitely getting there, so I should not feel that way. it's getting there. It is getting there. It's a lot. It is a lot. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, it's a lot. But yeah, let me know what you guys think so far, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.